As a WordPress developer, you must need this feature to look more professional. I want to show you how you can customize your WordPress login page. Let's get started. First, go to the WordPress login page and see the WordPress logo appear on our site. If you want to change, then log in and install a plugin. Now go to plugin and click add new. I want to search for a plugin called White Label CMS. Now install this plugin and click activate. After finishing this process, go to setting and see White Label CMS. Now I want to go login tab and then set login logo. Since my login page background color is white, I will take the black version logo and choose the white version logo for the dark background. Now if you want to change your background color or image, just change it here. When the picture is placed in the background through my other website, I'll show you what it looks like. Here, background is dark, so I used white version logo. Now go back to our plugin and click save. And then log out of the admin panel. Guys, see here, custom logo successfully appear on our site. In this part, I want to show you how you can change the inner interface to look more interesting. Now again, log into the admin panel. Go back to our plugin. Select the branding tab. Upload a white version logo. Then click insert into post. Now scroll down and upload the side menu image in the same way. After finishing your upload, you just need to save it. If you need to remove any logo, just click this cross icon, that's it. So this is how you can customize your WordPress login page. If you have any queries, just comment below in this video. Thank you.